Good morning.
Sir, I have one query.
Yeah, tell me, ma.
Sir, yesterday also I tell you, but you not unmute me. That's why I'm not asking this.
Yeah, tell me now.
Sir,
You joined late yesterday.
yes, sir. 5 minutes I joined it.
All right. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
my question is 33.
Okay, what is happening?
The document number I put it this, sir, but the error is account 1000 4 times 03 is invalid since not only able to be internal post.
Okay, 1003. You know what you have done?
Yes, sir.
Mm,
Bill of HDFC Bank.
yes, you go to FS00. So I will show you my bill of exchange account. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Uh, Change it to your company code, that is ZAPL. Correct. Give it. And here you have your account, na HDFC bill discounting liability account. This one, right?
Yes, sir.
This one, we ticked this.
Okay, post automatic.
You did not tick this.
Post automatic only.
That's the problem. Okay?
Okay, sir.
You tick it. You tick it, problem will be solved.
Okay, sir. I put this error on Instagram also, sir, but not solved.
Okay. Okay. Now you change this, it will work. Okay?
Okay, so box now, sir.
Just tick it will work.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So now we are talking okay. We are talking about GST now.
Yes.
Yeah, so in GST. So what are the things we have known in GST, guys? How many rates we have? How many rates we have in GST?
0%, 5%, 8%, 12, 18, 20,
0%,
Sir,
5%,
5%,
3%
8,
also.
5%, 12%. Yeah,
3%.
maybe they will come in going forward, they will come more also. Correct? After 1
18%.
year, if the finance minister decides anything, more will come. Okay? Yeah.
28.
So like this, we
Three,
have
sir.
some.
Gold and silver, right?
Fine, fine, it's fine. So now we will take like this. Yeah, okay. Now suppose we have percentages like this. Now on this we have types of tax, na CGST, yeah,
SGST,
SGST,
IGST,
IGST.
UG.
Correct. Yeah. Then we have UGST, na Union Territory GST. So what is the understanding here? What is intra?
Within the state intra,
Within the
Purchase and
state.
sale of goods within the state.
50% of state's
Within
tax
the
for
state.
50%
50% of
Yeah.
tax for
SGST,
central.
50% is
Yeah. Inter means outside the state. Correct. Yeah. So intra state means what they have decided.
50
Central
50.
government 50, na CGST 50, 50%, and then SGST also 50.
50%.
They decided we will share equally. Okay. On all intra on 50% on sale and purchase of all goods and on all goods and services.
Services.
Both, na? Yeah.
Yes.
Here also interstate means IGST will apply. Total 100% it will go to IGST on all goods and services. Correct? Okay, so this is what we have known, and then we are talking about the tax procedure, and there is a non-deductible. What is non-deductible?
you cannot use the input tax created from output tax.
Yeah, so non-deductible input tax, we means whatever input tax is paid, you cannot deduct it from the output tax. Correct, na? Yeah. Okay, so now we are talking about the creation of the tax procedure. Now, to create a tax procedure, what is the T code?
OBYZ.
OBYZ. And then to create a tax procedure, we need
Condition type.
condition types,
Conditions and account keys. Account keys.
condition types and account keys. Condition type and account keys. So what are the condition types we have? Like
IGST, GST.
yeah, so we have like condition types for every tax type, na? Okay, so first to create condition type we need access sequence key.
Sequence key.
Okay, yeah, access sequence. Okay, let us go and create now. Now let us go /n/n OBYZ. OBYZ, click on procedure. Okay, what is my tax procedure? I will show you. So here we have the controls, and in that we have condition types, we have account keys. We need to create both of them. And to create the condition types, I need here when I am going to condition types. So here, suppose I want to create a new condition type. Here I need access sequence. Okay, what is access sequence key? We need to understand what is its importance. See, suppose we go to previous taxation na, before GST. That will make it more clear. What is all this, 100, these numbers also there, na? See, these numbers are also there. Like we have like this in the procedures. We have these numbers, na, here. 100, 200, what is all this? This 120, 130, what is this? This clarity you will get. So what I will do, let us go back. Now in the previous taxation, suppose we have something like 100 is there. 100 is the symbol, na? We call it as a step. This is the step, you see, step. Okay, so what is 100? 100 is the step. So step 100, 100 means I'm saying that this is the base amount. 100 is the base amount. Okay, then I say 110. 110 is my 100 is the base amount, and 110 is my input excise tax at the rate of 10%. Previously we used to have excise, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here this is the suppose value is base amount value is 1 lakh, right? Now how much is the excise tax now?
1 lakh.
10,000. 1,10,000.
No, only
Input
tax.
excess
This is
tax
tax.
10,000. 10,000.
How much it is? 10,000 is the tax. How I am calculating? This is
1 lakh
10%
on
on,
1 lakh.
understand, 10% on here we have something called from and to. Okay, understand, from to. So right, so this is 10% on from what? From 100 to 100. What is 100?
1 lakh. Base amount.
100 is the base amount. No? 100 is the base amount. Base amount how much? 1 lakh. So this is 10% on. How I got this? This is 10% on from 100 to 200. No? Agree? From 100 to 200. Everybody understood how I got this?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm 10% on from 100 then 200. Got it? Okay. Okay, next. Next, I am saying 120. 120 is we used to have input.
Sir, 200 na?
There is 200 ma here.
From and to, sir.
There is 200 here. 200 means this one.
TO2.
From,
So
yes, there. 200. No?
here you want 200, huh?
Yes.
Why 200 ma? Because I am calculating 10% on, this is 10% on 1 lakh na?
Okay.
This is 10% on 1 lakh, right? How I got this 10,000? 10% on 1 lakh na?
1 lakh.
What is 1 lakh? 100 na?
Yes.
Tell her 1 lakh to 1 lakh.
Okay.
Means you will
Correct.
understand
Is it
this is
clear?
the step
Now
code.
then they will think this is 2 lakhs. If you say 1 lakh to 1 lakh, she will say 2 lakhs. Okay. Okay, you understood ma?
Yes, sir. No, sir, you say that 1 lakh from and to say to 200 something like that's why I mean.
TO2.
This is a
TO2, not
2, 2 ma,
TW2.
this is 2.
Okay, 2.
Okay, from, okay, I understood. From
Make a triangle
100,
here, sir. Make a triangle here. You will understand.
from 100 to 200.
Yes.
This is not a TWO2, okay?
Okay, yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, ma. Okay. So excise tax, I understood the problem. Yeah. So excise tax, then at the rate of again 10%. This is excise cess. What is a cess, ma? Cess. What is cess, guys? Cess. Cess means what? What is the difference between tax and cess? What is the difference between tax and cess? What is the difference? Huh? What is the difference, guys? Tax and cess. You are all finance people. What is the difference between cess and tax?
Base liabilities tax. Tax liability.
Huh?
Base tax liabilities.
Tax on tax.
Tax on tax, correct. So this is 10% on. So I'm saying like this. I'm saying like this. Now this is 10% on what?
1,10,000.
Which
100 to
number?
110.
110 to 110.
Tax
110 to
110 to
110.
110, correct. What is 110?
So this
1 lakh.
So it input excess tax.
110, what is 110, guys?
1 lakh. Sorry,
Not
10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
Correct, na? See, when you are answering, na, always remember, this will help you in interview also. When you are answering, na, give 1 second gap. Answer should be correct. You can take time. You understand the point? Don't be in a hurry to answer. Correct? Yeah. Now, you say you do, this is 110, 120. This is 10% on 110.
110.
What is 110 to 110? 110 to 110 is 10,000. So how much should come here?
1,000.
1,000. Correct? Agree?
Yeah.
Exactly. Good. Now next is 130. Everybody able to follow me? This is little technical. You are able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is like more like writing program. So input VAT at the rate of 10%. Input VAT at the rate of 10%. Yeah, this is on, VAT is on all, no? Agree?
Yes, sir.
VAT is on all total, right? You are, yeah, those who know previously. 10% on what?
100 to 120.
100 to 110.
100 to
120.
120.
120.
Okay, tell me how much will come here?
Then, sorry.
1100. 1100.
1 lakh 1100. 1 lakh 1100.
Why 1 lakh will come? This is 10%.
10%.
100. 11,100.
11,100. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
everybody is understood how I got this 11,100.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
So because 100 to 120 is how much? 100 to 120 equal to
11
1 lakh plus 10,000 plus
plus
1,000.
1,000.
And
Agree?
1,000 on this 100.
So total how much it is? 1,11,000 on that 10%.
On that.
Is that clear? So how I got this 11,100? That is 10% on 10% on 1 lakh plus, that is 100. 100 means 1 lakh, 110 means 10,000, 120 means 1,000. So total how much it is? 10% on 1 lakh 11,000. So I am getting 11,100. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes.
Correct. What is this one? This is 10% on
10,000.
on
10.
10,000.
10,000.
Agree? Yeah, this is 10% on
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Agree? Do I need to repeat or everybody is comfortable?
Clear, sir.
Clear now? So they see the dependency here, why the steps are important.
Yes.
There is a dependency, right? So far clear, everybody? So far clear? Some people joined late.
Can you please repeat once again?
Okay, who is that?
Rachna, sir.
Rachna.
Yeah.
No problem. Okay, so now we have, so I'm saying that here 100, step 100 means what? Base amount. Step 100 means what? Base amount. What is base amount here? 1 lakh. Correct. Next I'm saying 110 means excise tax, which is at the rate of 10%. Correct. So this is 10% on 100. Correct. What is 100? 1 lakh. So 10% on 100 is how much? 10,000. Is it clear?
Yes.
Next, what I am saying, 120. This is excise cess, not tax, cess. So cess is always on the tax. Understand? So this is 10% on 110. What is 110? 110 is excise tax. What is excise tax? 10,000. So this is 10% on excise tax. That is 10,000. So 10% on 10,000 is how much?
1,000.
1,000. You are clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, VAT is applying on total from 100 to 120. So on all the total it will apply VAT. Okay. So what is that? What is 100? 1 lakh. What is 110? 10,000. What is 120? 1,000. So 1 lakh plus 10,000 plus 1,000. Total how much it is? Total it is 1 lakh 11,000 total. On that 10%. That is 11,100. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Like that, tax is calculated on one over the other. Okay?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, now welcome. So now, so this you understood. No? Suppose I am talking on the same lines. Suppose I want to apply the output tax. Suppose I will copy this. I will copy this. I will make this as a 210. This is input output, no? 220 to 230. So now imagine it is not input, it is output. Okay, it is output. It is output. Output side. You know difference between input and output? What is the difference?
Input is purchase.
When you say
Money
Output is what to the customer we are collecting from the customer.
input is receivable, output is payable.
input is purchase,
This
output is sale.
Sale.
Input we pay, output we collect.
Input is input tax and the purchase from the vendor, output tax from the sales of customer.
Sales. Correct? Clear na? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now here, suppose my tax is at the rate of 20%.
Sales.
On sales side, it is 20%. Yeah, just I'm making it easy. It's not though simple. Tax is a lot complicated. I'm making it simple to make you understand. I can make it complicated. but it will make it more complicated for you to understand. Okay, so now this is 20%. Now imagine my base value is 1 lakh. The sale here, if I take this, my purchase value is 1 lakh. Agree? Yeah. But when I am selling, my sale value is 1 lakh. Base amount will remain same always. Okay. So when I am purchasing, my purchase value is 1 lakh base amount. When I am selling, my base amount is the same 1 lakh. Suppose if I am selling now 1 lakh. So this will be how much now? This will be 20% on 100. Agree?
20,000.
Yeah. So this will become how much now? 20,000. No problem.
20,000.
Yeah, this will be what? Tell me now. This is 20% on what should I do? What should 210? Correct. You understood the logic, no? This is on 210. This is on 210. So this is 10% on 20,000. So how much will come here?
2,000.
Happy everybody? You understood? Good.
So
So
20%.
20% on 20,000. How much it is? 4,000. Correct. You are right. I agree.
bracket.
Sir, here
Correct.
Bracket also you written.
20%. Yes. Correct. 20% on
Yes, sir.
20% on 20,000 is what? 4,000, no?
4,000.
Yeah. Good. Clear? So far clear? Okay. Now VAT at the rate of 20%. Now you tell me, how do I do this? This is the challenge. This is 20% on what I want to take here. 100 to what I should take?
2,000.
220. Then what will happen? You see, this is a blunder. You know what it will do? Actually, I want to take what I want to take? 1 lakh plus this one, this and this one. So actually, I want to take step what I want to take here? Step 100, and then I want to take step 210 and step 220. But what system will do if I take 100 to 220?
this will calculate 100 to 30, sir. 100 to
All this it will
all this,
add.
sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
That is the problem. So we are stuck here. You understand the point?
Yes, sir.
That is. So to solve this, we have something called access. Everybody understood the problem? If I give here 100 to 220, there is a big problem. Why? Because input will come into output. So system will take 100, 110, 120, 130, 120, 210, 220, everything it will take. Got it? So, but what I want to do here, I want to take 20% on 1 lakh plus 20,000 plus 4,000. Only these three I want to take. Is that clear? So what I want to take here, 100, 210, 220 only I want to take in here. So to solve, so I cannot give from 100 to 220, no? I cannot. So even though I give, system should pick up correctly. So that's why we have something called access sequence key. Okay. Right. So here what I do, I will create a separate access sequence key. Okay. Here I will create for them. I will maintain. So I will create separate access sequence. Okay. JGSI. Okay. Just one. So base amount will not have any access sequence key. Base amount will not have only. Okay. So I will clear it. JGSI. Okay. This is also JGSI access sequence key.
Sir, these access sequences are a standard one, sir,
Standard, yes. Yeah, standard.
which you are writing JGSI.
Yes. Okay. SAP has allocated access sequence keys. We will create with the same name, yeah? Okay, now here this will be JGSO output side. This will be JGSO output side. This will also be JGS outputs. Okay. Yeah. So now what will happen is here. Yeah. So here I'm adding access sequence keys now. Got it? So now even though I give here, so even though this is little bit disturbed here. Okay. 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 Right, clear?
Yes.
So even though I give here 100 to 220, what system will do? System will check what is the access sequence key of this 230. What is access sequence key of 230?
Yes.
AGSO. So it will go here. Okay, base amount, nothing is there. It will accept. Fine, no problem. Base amount will not apply any access sequence key. Base amount is base amount. So it will pick up this 1 lakh. Next, it will go here. Is JGSO matching with JGSI?
No.
Not matching. Skip. This one matching?
No.
Not matching. Skip. This one matching?
No.
Not matching. Skip. This one matching?
Yes.
Pick up. Pick up. This one matching? Pick up. So what it will pick up? 100 plus
210 plus
220. So how much I will get now here? How much I will get? 10%.
1 lakh.
24,800.
1,24,800.
Oh, you already calculated, huh? Good. Good. Understood? So 20% on 100 to 120 PQ, but system will take 1 lakh, base amount it will take, then 210 it will take 20,000, and then it will take
220.
4,000. So 1 lakh 24,000, 20%. Is that clear? Yeah. So how much I am getting? 24,800. So that is the use of the access sequence key. We have separate access sequence key for output and in. Is that clear? Okay. Note on this. Everybody understood this? This is little complicated, but we need to know this. Yes, tell.
Repeat 230.
230, no? See, 230, what is my, for 230, what I want to have, for 230, I want to take base amount, this is 1 lakh, plus, I don't want any input side. I want to take this one, 210, that is this 20,000, plus this 220, that is cess. So I want to take 1 lakh, 20,000 and 4,000 I want to take. Only these I want. But what is happening when I give 100 to 220? System is taking all, no? Input also coming into output, right? Yeah. So to solve that, what I put? I brought in access sequence. So output side access sequence keys are different. Input side access sequence keys are. Is that clear? Yeah. So input side access sequence key is JGSI. Output side access sequence key is JGS. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So now what will happen when I am calculating for 230? System will check. Okay, what is access sequence key of 230? JGS. Okay, base amount it will pick up automatically. So 1 lakh plus then it will go here. JGS, so JGSI not matching, skip. Not matching, skip. Not matching, skip. Here it is matching, pick up. Matching, pick up. Like that it will pick up exactly. That is the use of the access sequence. Clear?
Sir, in every case, the base amount will be same for both purchases and sales.
Yeah, base amount means the transaction amount will be same. Okay. So when you are purchasing, what is the base amount? When you are selling, what is the base amount? Base amount means the transaction amount.
Sir, means while inputting access key, if you put GSI, then it will automatically calculate this. This will not calculate it.
Yeah, correct. So when you are creating the condition type,
And you have to give an access key, means output or input to identify.
yeah, so every condition type will have an access sequence. Based on that, it will pick up. Okay?
Okay.
Clear, everybody? Yeah. So that is the use. Yeah.
How is possible, sir?
What is it?
If it's a manufacturing industry, if it's a trading activity, is base amount can maybe same amount. If it's a manufacturing, that
No. See, I'm posting one invoice. When I'm posting the invoice, I will enter the amount, not transaction amount.
Yes.
And the amount will be taken as a base amount automatic. On that only we calculate taxes, right?
So what my question, suppose
This
is
is past.
raw
What
material and process unit, and then how can be the base amount can be same, sir? That's only there.
See, this is past. This is not there. Excise is not there now. Okay. This is past. I'm just using it as an example to make you understand what is this step.
Okay.
What is
This is
this?
old step.
How the from and to will come. You know, in GST, let me show you. In GST, it is nothing. There is no dependencies. You see,
Yes.
from 100 to 200 only. What is 100?
Base amount.
Base amount,
That's
which
it.
is transaction
And
amount.
the taxes are directly calculated on the base amount. There is no dependence.
Okay.
So all the taxes you see, they are all directly from 100 to 100. You understand the point?
Okay.
Right? They are directly calculated on the base. Now, in going forward, if the government brings in something, now they say, I want to put cess. I want to put cess on IGST. Then what we do? We put one more number here, 131. So this is like we are creating for all future. We are leaving the gaps in the middle, no? 110, 120. Why we are leaving 10 numbers in the middle? So that in government, you can add, and from number to number you can add. Logic will work. So this is all for our future. The new taxes can be added here. Dependencies can be added. So what our finance minister will do, we don't know, no? Depending upon that, we are keeping it all options open. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Right. So these are the components of the tax system in any country. This is not just for India. This procedure what we have is you can define it for any country. Understand? In any country also taxes will be there. Yes. Different types of taxes will be there. Yes. Create each one as a condition type. And if there are any dependencies, put it here.
Okay.
Is it clear? See, tomorrow when you are doing project, no? It's not guaranteed that you will get the project for India only, no? Will you say if it is Indian client only I will work, otherwise I will not work?
Yes.
No, right? Suppose your client is from Belgium. Your client is from Belgium. Do you know the tax system of Belgium? You don't know. You don't have to. So there they will arrange SME. SME means subject matter expert. One guy they will arrange. Client has to arrange. We don't know. Client has to arrange. He will arrange somebody, one auditor or somebody SME. They will arrange. That guy will tell you in Belgium these are the taxes we have. Okay. What taxes? You write down. Okay. What is a dependency? What is a dependency? They will tell you. You write down, note down the dependencies. Accordingly, we create the procedure. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
So in the tax procedure, any tax procedure, any country, compulsorily condition types will be there. Compulsorily this from and to will be there. And these steps will be there. And if there are any dependencies, you create the dependency. No dependency, leave it 100 to 100. Is that clear?
Okay.
Okay.
So notepad.
Yeah, 1 minute. This is past, huh? I just used it. So if I take this example from 100 to 100, you will not understand. Correct or not? Because all are 100 only. No? That's why I had to go back. Okay, done.
Just a minute. Okay, sir.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start with the creation of the access sequence key. Okay, so we will go like this. So we will go to OB by Z. This is created at country level, guys. So I told you na access related, half of it is at country level. Balance half will be for your company code, right? This tax GST is for whole country, na? So it is already done. Na? So whatever tax some other your senior created, it will be useful to you also. Na? Same, is India your India same? Na? So most of the part is already created. You just have to know it. Okay, no need to do it again. So you go to access sequences, press enter. So here you created one. You see JGSI. This is access sequence key for input. JGSO access sequence key for output. If this is not there, then what you do? You select like this. You select like this. MWST you copy. If these two are not there, what you do, guys? Copy MWST, copy, and then change the name na, like this. What name you do? Some name na. So I will you give JGSI. If it is not there, you give. So in my case, it is there na already. Correct or not? So it will say it is already there na. Correct. So just to show you what I will do, I will give some other name. JGI2 I will give enter. Yeah. Just to show you. Enter. It will ask copy all. Yes, copy. Keep on pressing enter. No. Copy, 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 enter, save. I got one more. No. So what you do? You copy MWST and create whatever you want. So JGSI I copied like this. Same way I copy one more time and create JGS. Same thing you copy for both JGSI and JGS. Is that clear? What got it, everybody?
Sir, please repeat the steps.
Okay, I will. See, I will copy MWST, copy. See, if it is already there, JGSI, JGSO, no need to do it. If it is not there only, you copy. Okay, select this, click on copy button and give like JGSO output side, JGSO, SO, no? So it will say it is already there, no? For in my case, it is already there. Yes, it is already. So I am to show you what I do. JGO2 something I will do. Okay, press enter. First enter, second enter, third enter, fourth enter, fifth enter, sixth enter. Just keep on pressing 6 times. Save. Is that clear? Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
sir, it can be deleted.
Don't delete. Your seniors will get impact. Don't delete. Why delete?
No, sir. What we are creating is possible to delete.
Yeah, you can delete.
But what if the WST is not there? We can't copy it, or if we have to create on our own.
It will be there definitely. Not there. See, possibility that these two will be there. Definitely these two will be there. Okay. If it is not there, then this will be.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Through new entries, we are not creating this.
This is see, it is already available.
Yeah, sir. Not available. In the case, not available.
It will be there. SAP provided this. Correct. You don't have to create a tables and all. It will take 1 month for you. Okay. SAP provided already. This is technical also. Tables and all you maintain inside this. Okay. Just use it. The component that is already there, you use it. No?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? Yeah. Correct. So it is already provided by SAP. Just use it. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So access sequence is there like this. Then after that, what you do? You create the condition types. Okay. Note down next step. Step number 1. Write down step number 1. Create access sequence keys. Create access sequence keys. Okay. Create access sequence keys. How many access sequence keys we created? We created JGSI and JGSI. This is output side. Output access sequence key. This will be
Input
access sequence. Okay.
Is stand for any
Jurisdiction. J means you have seen in the this one also, no? Where in DDS, J is always standing for jurisdiction. Okay. So SAP what they have done is instead of maintaining everything, see, for access they did not create everything. Because also country-wise contact access will differ. And then they will not certain also they keep on changing. No point in creating, so we have to do it. The responsibility is on us. Okay. Whichever country company purchases SAP, they will do for their country. That's it. But SAP in the program they have given the names, programs, tables they maintain. Correct. So you have to create with those names only. Okay. Now second one. Create condition types. Condition types. Okay. Create condition. Okay. What are the condition types I need to know for each tax type? For each tax type. What are the tax types we have? We have like input CGST. Agree?
Yes.
Then we have input SGST. Then we have input IGST. Then we have input UGST, Union Territory. Then we have same thing, we have non-deductible also. Correct? So input CGST is there, but I cannot deduct it. Understand? Yeah. So input CGST non-deduct. All these are non-deduct. So it's deductible, non-deductible. If I don't say, it means deductible. Okay. By default, it means deductible. Next, I have output. I have output IGST. Output IGST. Output CGST. Same thing I have. Output side. Right. Node. So here what I will do, I will create the keys condition type. I will create like JICG. This will be my JISG 4 characters. This will be my JIIG 4 characters. This will be my JIUG 4 characters. This will be my JICN, JISN. This will be my JIIN, JIUN. Okay. JOCG, JOSG. Okay. JOIG. This will be JOUG. Okay. So total how many condition types I am creating? 12. No. Okay, noted.
Wait, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Now what it is? So we go to I will show you OB YZ na YZ. Here condition types also created. This is not for your company code, right? This is for country India na. So if in your server they might be created already. So if it is not created, you create. Yeah? How to create here new entries? You give like this JICG. What is the access sequence key for input? This is input JG
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then you give condition class you give D access, and then calculation type you give A for percentage, and then condition category you give access. Access means D. Okay, like next item condition, select this, click on this, come down, and then come down, scale type A you maintain. That's not done, guys. All the condition type you create in the same way, ditto. All the condition types you create in the same way.
TAD, sir.
TAD, correct. TAD.
Scroll down, sir.
One minute. Yeah, just you take this item condition because it will apply at item level. And here A means base scale. It is on the base. So A.
Done, sir.
Done?
Yes.
Yeah. Right. So same way you will do for all of them. In my case, it is AGIC already there, no? So if it is already there, no need to worry, guys. Just check it. Here you see AIC is already there, no? For me. AIC is already there. I'll just check. Okay, JGSI is there, DAD is there, item is there, and then I come down. Yeah, scale type is there. No problem. Save it. No problem. Next, JISG. That also I will check same item condition. Scale type A. No problem. JIIG. That also I will check same DAD item condition. And then scale type. No problem. Next,
UG.
UG. That also I will check. Okay, JGSI, DAD, item condition, and then base scale, no problem. Then non-deductible, GICN, same, that is also same, ditto. Item condition and base scale. GISN, SN, yeah, non-deductible. That is also same. See, all the condition types are created with the same character. GIIN, same no? Item condition, everything is the same.
There is already there. Do not really.
No need to create. Why again create?
Yes.
Not required. This is country level, no? Already somebody created, same will apply to you also.
Yes.
If it is not there, you create. Okay, next. Output side, no? JOC. This is slightly, what is the different here? Yeah, this is important. Access frequency is changing, you see?
Yes, sir.
Remember, it should be JGSO. Because this is output side, no? Yeah, input side JGSI, in output side JG.
Yes, sir.
All the other things are common. Correct? So all the output side they will follow like this. JOSG, same. See? JO, what is the other one? JOIG, yeah? That is also same. Clear, no? Next. JOUG. That is also same. Clear? So that is how many condition types I created? 12 condition types. Got it? Okay. Next I need to create the third one. I need to create the account keys. Create account keys. To give the GLL account. So the T code is OBCN. Here in the tax procedure, I have account keys here. When I go here, so in the procedure, I have, when I select, so now I have condition types are ready, but account keys are not ready. I need to create this. Okay? So we will create this account keys tomorrow, yeah? Account keys will create. OBC, yes. There is a place where we go OBCN and we create.
First step, what is the code, sir?
Step 2, all are in OBYZ only.
Okay, sir.
All OBYZ, na?
First technical step, all OBYZ.
All OBYZ only, total. Okay. Okay, guys. Right. We'll take account keys tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.